Welcome to Vanuatu. It's 4:45 in the morning and we are heading to New Zealand. It's now Friday. We're supposed to leave on Monday. Fiji Airways messed all kinds of stuff up for us, but here we are. It's 1,200 miles about that we'll have to sail. Predict wind is telling us it'll take about 6.5 days. So wind will come from every angle. We'll motor. It'll be a quite interesting passage. So we're excited to get on the way and get down there. Alrighty, we just pulled off the mooring ball. I feel bad we haven't met these guys. They must have got here yesterday, but on GREENIX, it's a 55 outremer. The design, the interior and stuff, it's awesome. They did such a good job on it. It's crazy how still it is in here. It's wild. It's 130 feet deep.
Sailing.
No, we're not. Not yet. We have gone 100 miles, almost 12 hours exactly. So we've been moving really good. We had a really good start to the day sailing, and then we have been motor sailing. And then we just barely took down the code 0, but we've made some good time. There's some really scary stuff coming up, and we're trying to thread the needle between two systems. So we need to keep our pace. There's a guy that in New Zealand that helps with weather planning and stuff, and so I've been in communication with him and he's kind of helping us through it. But yeah, a little nervous about a couple of what we have in store. Hopefully we're good. No, don't do it. Zach got sunburnt.
I got cut.
He's balding just like me.
Yeah, we're twins. I gotta quit hanging out with you.
He's our designated cook.
And the motion.
It is so crazy. Keep rolling that in. Oh, that may have gotten off. We just put out lines and had 2 mahi on both lines. Oh, we've lost both of them. So sad. I would turn around. Typically you can turn around and get back through them, but we are so pressed for time. I don't want to waste any time, so we'll keep trekking on. We're like 30 miles away from the first land in New Caledonia. So we had a super calm night, and yeah, still just motoring, and we will motor pretty much, I think, all today. There might be a little gap of not, but and then into tomorrow. Here we are in New Caledonia. It's so pretty. We are like almost 200 miles southeast of New Caledonia, and we've just taken down the mainsail. The head sail's kind of flogging in the wind, but anyway, there's a ton of weather. There's highs, there's lows, there's all kinds of garbage. So we're gonna just chill for the next day and a half, 2 days. So fun. We're going like 1 knot, and yeah, we're just gonna kind of hang out and let all this pass. We could go back to New Caledonia, but by the time we get there, it'll be time to leave. So we're just gonna put along.
Oh, we got acrobatic. Whee! Oh, he's on this side.
Whee! Whee!
Oh. See ya.
Oh, we're going under it. Jumping back.
Yeah. Who swims faster, the boat or you? Whoa!
The whole flags, please.
Alrighty, we are just floating. We've been, I don't know how long, a few hours. And I think what we're gonna do is just keep sailing. It's really slow. There's no wind hardly, so we'll be going like 2-3 knots and get really close to the edge of the storm, and then kind of shoot a little gap. So hopefully it's not too crazy. I don't think it's too stupid, but it might be. So we'll say our prayers. I really feel good about this decision, and if anything else, we can either go east or west and go way out of our way, which will be annoying and it'll add a couple of days, but it is what it is. So we're gonna fill up with gas. We've used like a half a tank, just motor ceilings, so we're gonna fill those up and be on our way. Got a fish.
Wow, he's swimming up now.
Throw that baby.
We'll take it.
Oh, take it, dude. That's a good fish. Wait.
Wait. Here, let's just grab it. Hold back.
What
There
kind?
you go.
What kind of tuna?
One hand tuna catch.
Yeah, baby.
So we've had an awesome day. We've been cruising, just downwind the whole day. Had the spinnaker up and been going 8-9 knots most of it, but we're expected to get up to 30 knots of wind tonight with gusts, and so we just took down the spinnaker and now we're gonna put up the Gina, so we can, if we need to, we can quickly furl it without any big issue. And even that, oh yeah, there's a lot of clouds and stuff, so we'll see. Well, we've had a killer day today. We just pulled down the spinnaker. Looks like we have a bunch of wild weather coming up. So the wind's actually right behind us, but any minute now, yeah, 5 o'clock, that's so funny. The wind is actually gonna be coming from our nose. There's two fronts that are coming together. The waves are all over the place. They're coming from in front of us and behind us, but here within the next hour, the wind should totally be shifting. So fingers crossed we don't deal with any lightning. It's the only hope. So, but once we get through this, next 12 hours should be pretty uncomfortable, and then we should be rocking. So we're excited. Crazy out here. Like 27 knots of apparent wind, 22 knots of true wind, and we are going like 6 knots. We've just been trying to go super slow so the boat's not slamming, but yeah, it's pretty bad. And it's been like this all night long. It's like 2:30 in the afternoon, and it doesn't show any signs of lightening up. Tomorrow, hopefully a little bit before it builds back up, but we're about 250 miles away, so you know, about 48 hours left to get there at the pace we're going. It's crazy, you know, stuff like this used to intimidate me, but I've just learned, you know, these boats are built, they can take a lot, but if you reef down and just use the proper sails, boats can get through stuff like this. That's no problem. You can totally tell there's no stress anywhere, and it's just super annoying because you can't walk around or do anything. We just had, hands down, the worst 24 hours on the boat. Probably, I think it was more, I don't know if it was 48 hours. Anyway, it was horrible. We hardly moved anywhere from the time it got dark till this morning. We're just straight in irons, straight into the wind. We had our motors just barely in gear just to hold us to keep the boat from slamming, and it's still slamming. But today, all day long, we've been able to move pretty smoothly. It's still rough, but at least we're not slamming, so because the wind shifted back behind us. Now it's ahead of us, but not too much wind, so we're taking out the reefs and moving along.
It's pretty dang tight.
Yeah. Professional sailor.
I'm a professional sailor. I don't know about him.
And then we're all in our rain gear, then Emerson's in his swimming suit. It's cold. It's New Zealand. Hands down, the worst passage we've ever had, and it's not even a close comparison. It should have taken us 4 days-ish. It took us a full week and a little bit, a week and a day, and but we're here. So we just radioed in, and we have about an hour and a half more that we're gonna motor down there, but pretty much there.
Another day.
It is insane. It is so beautiful here. It's interesting. It reminds, in all of our cruising, it reminds me so much of Maine. And it's so beautiful. Enzo, how's your first sailing experience?
It was great.
Epic?
Until the waves got a little big, it just kind of got a little rough, but other than that, it was just great.
Good. Here we are. It's so crazy how calm and beautiful and peaceful it is. We are here. We're all checked in. The customs and immigration, oh my gosh. I told them it's always the worst part of every country. They're always, not always, but oftentimes they're not the kindest people in the world. But here, they're awesome. Vanuatu was awesome too. They're very sweet there. So happy to be here. We're going to get a car, and Enzo and Zach know some people here on a mission, so we're gonna go down and hopefully visit them. Holy cow, it's been a whirlwind. Church was awesome. We had a good day yesterday. We explored a little bit, and then now we're at Marston Cove Marina, and they honestly, it's been one of the nicest, kindest marinas that we've ever been to. These people are incredibly over the top, making sure we're happy with everything. So anyway, got in our spot and got her all tied up. We've just been walking around for a few miles, and we just got up here to I don't know what you call it. Woo! How big this marina is. It's pretty.
Driver.
He's coming.
Oh, sure.
See you later.
Yeah.
I have a taxi coming. They left me. Anyway, we came over to the temple, and typically I would say we do. We always try to dress in nice church Sunday best, I guess, when we come to the temple. But today, with packing, anyway, I had a polo shirt on. Anyway, I didn't look like I feel like I should. And Emerson had his swimming suit on, shorts. Well, was it a swimming? Anyway, shorts on. But we're so glad to be at the temple. Such a beautiful place. It's the Auckland Temple. I guess there's 3 temples in New Zealand. So, and then right here is the MTC, Mission Training Center. A lot of the missionaries in this part of the world come here. So I actually have an uncle and aunt that served a mission here to help with the MTC. So such a beautiful, beautiful place.